In this video, I'll show you how to fix high CPU usage in Windows 11. This can help if your PC is lagging, the fans are loud, apps keep freezing, or Task Manager shows the CPU running very high. First, right-click the Start button and open Task Manager. Go to the Processes section. Now click the CPU column. This sorts everything by what is using the most processor power. Look at the apps at the top of the list. If you see a normal app using a lot of CPU, such as a browser, game launcher, video editor, or installer, and you are not using it, click it and choose End Task. Only close apps you recognize. Avoid ending random Windows processes unless you know what they are. Next, check if Windows is installing updates. Open Settings, then go to Windows Update. If updates are downloading or installing, your CPU may be higher for a while. Let the update finish, then restart your PC. Now go back to Task Manager and open Startup Apps. Disable apps you do not need when Windows starts. This can reduce background activity after you turn on your computer. Next, check your browser. Browsers can cause high CPU usage if you have lots of tabs open, heavy websites running, or too many extensions. Close tabs you are not using, then check if CPU usage drops. You can also open your browser extensions and turn off anything you do not need. Now restart your computer. A restart can clear stuck processes and bring CPU usage back down. If the problem keeps coming back, run a virus scan. Open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then run a quick scan. If Windows finds anything suspicious, follow the recommended steps. You should also check for driver updates, especially graphics drivers, if the high CPU usage happens during games, video playback or editing. If one app always causes the issue, try updating that app or reinstalling it. And if the CPU only goes high for a short time, such as when opening apps or installing updates, that can be normal. But if it stays high all the time, Task Manager is the best place to find what is causing it. And that's it, you've now checked and fixed common causes of high CPU usage in Windows 11.